Hi guys, so if you're from TikTok and you're here for the Czech Republic job application tutorial, this is the video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paulina, I'll travel with you, and on here we share about we share about on ways that you can move to different countries at ease without using a lot of money. So I got this important link that I wanted to share with you and also share the tutorial on how to go about it. And it's on how to apply for jobs in Czech Republic as a foreigner or someone who is not currently in the Czech Republic. Czech Republic is one of the Schengen areas countries. So if you get to get a job there or a visa to go and work there, you can move to other Schengen country. You can visit other Schengen country easily. So I don't want this video to be long and I don't want to do a lot of explanation while talking. So what we will do, we just dive into the website and then I'll take you through what you need to know. You can follow the tutorials and see how to apply for them. If you need help with CVs or cover letter or anything that you would require for application, I'll just leave the link on where you can reach out to me on the description of this box, and you can reach out to me for any services that you would want. But kindly try to follow the tutorial, get all the details, and then we take it from there. So let's get into it. Guys, it's very simple. You just come to your search engine and type Ministry of Labor and Social Czech Republic, and then when you do that, there are quite a lot of results for it, but come where they have written MPSV. You see this one here. This is where you click Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs. That's where you click. There are actually a lot of jobs. I came to see because I was talking to someone who is already there, and I also went through this website, and I can for sure tell you there are quite a number of jobs in this website. So when you get here, you scroll down to where you see like useful links and go with the first one. Okay, go with the first one. So guys, this is another way of you having not to do what? You not having to use the agency route. Agency route is also good, but you'll have to pay a lot of money, which sometimes you don't have. But with this kind of application, you just do it by yourself. Time by time, you're going to get a job. There are quite a number of jobs. We are going to go through all of them, and you will see there are quite a number of jobs that you can apply for. And right now in Czech, construction job is there. There are a lot of construction jobs, but the only negative side about all this process is that you getting a date to go to apply for the work visa is where the problem is. But eventually you're going to get one if you are patient enough. So when you get here, there's you see there's foreign or non-EU citizen can search for jobs offer in the Czech Republic in the vacancies database. So this is where you get to click the vacancies database. You click there. I don't want the video to be long. At least 10 minutes will be enough for you to see and to know on how to go about it. So always listen to the video, follow the tutorial. It will be easier for you. Okay, and if you need help with CV writing and other services, I'm going to leave a link on the description box of the video. With that, you can always reach out to me. It will be easier, So when you come here, you can just click search. Okay, you can just click search, and because the language, the website language right now is in Czech, their language, so you can just come here and translate to English. And as you can see, the first job is on construction and building maintenance workers. The job was posted on 14th. I think today is on 14th, right? I don't know if it's on 15th or 14th. I don't know very well. So as you can see, there are quite a number of jobs: assistant warehouse worker, construction and building worker, assistant warehouse worker. There are quite a number of jobs, and these jobs have just been updated, and they are specifically for foreigners or non-EU citizens who would love to go and work in Czech Republic. You see, there's also the transport. I've got a number of people asking me about driving jobs and all that. You can take your time and come here and check if there's something that will interest you. Okay, so you can click next. If you have a laptop, you'll be able to view the jobs in a better way. So yeah, you just check what is there. If you're interested in any of those, you do what? You just click on more information. Okay, so let's click on the first one. For example, and also here you can filter depending on what you want. There's a place where you can do the filterings. You see here you can type in the profession, also the job that you want, where you want. Here you can filter in terms of like the salary you want, your required skills. Okay, so here we have written for foreigners. Okay, so we are all foreigners who want to apply for the jobs in Czech Republic. So when you come here, for example, the first job in construction, they've said more information. Okay, I'll just click on that for you to get more information about the job. So it gives you the workplace, profession, transport. They tell you how much you'll be getting per month. You can always translate this amount. They just need one person. So time of employment from July. So no education needed. Full-time employment, hours per 40 hours per week. And then you can read all this. Okay, you need a driving license. You can check all this. Consent of the employer of foreigners. So there's foreigners. You can actually these jobs are for us who are not in Czech Republic or who are in Kenya. Okay, so you can get all those. You can do that, and you can contact the employer or send by email. Okay, so that's how to go about it. It's that simple, as you can see. It's not difficult to check all these jobs that are here. All you need to do is to check where you fall. Okay, so I just received a call, but let's continue. So guys, that's it. I don't want to use a lot of time on preparing this video. You can go ahead and apply. I'll leave the link of the website on the description box of this video, so that you guys can go ahead and check what is available. So you just need to click the next, and you get the jobs again that are there. You see, but construction jobs are a lot. They have a lot of jobs in construction. That's what I've noted. But they also have jobs in hospitality, because for example, when you come here you get to select to see what is available. You see, there are those that are available. They are giving the number of jobs available, so you can check what you want. Those in finance, those in human resource, those in business, sales and marketing. I've seen hospitality, I've seen hotel management. There are quite a number of jobs. Manufacturer, construction. You see, there are a lot of jobs in constructions. There are a lot of jobs. So it's you guys to go ahead and check and apply. So let me end this video, and if you have any question, you can leave them on the comment section of this video.